Hello everyone, welcome back to Art and Craft video page. So first we'll be showing you a beautiful cute fish using the papers. Take a paper like this and then put it over the fish body and take multiple color papers so that it looks attractive. Make its eyes and your fish is ready. Next, you have to take a white sheet like this. Draw a triangle shape on it and draw the lines inside it. Make its legs and hands and face. Now fill it using green color marker like this. Now cut it out. Now take a paper and then make the spring out of it and fix it on the top of it. Put it over the leaf and it's ready. Next, take a green color paper, fold it like this and make the frog out of it. Fold it from the between and then again fold it from the sides. Now open it like this and press it. Press it like this and make a triangle like shape. Now turn it upward from the sides and fold it. Now on the back side, turn it downward like this by folding it from the sides. Now stick its eyes and draw the lines on its body and your frog is ready. Next, take a oval shape paper and draw the dotted lines over it like this. Cut it from the between in a zigzag shape. Now take a green color paper and cut out the dinosaur from it. Fix it like this and put the cutted part over it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a cute bunny. Take a white color paper like this and make the spring out of it. Fix it by folding it like this. Now on the top of it, we will fix the bunny face. So for that, we will take a round sheet and make its ears. Stick its eyes and draw its mouth like this. Draw the cute face and then fix it over the spring. Now make its legs and hands. Put it like this. Fix the legs and hands of the bunny and your toy is ready. Next, to take a green color paper, cut it out like this and fold it from the between. Press it like this. Now open it and again fold it from the top of the papers. Fix it by folding it inside like this. Now open it and again fold it from the between. Now cut it from the top as shown in the video and fix it like this inside the paper. Now fix the toy over it and your toy is ready.